Today I'm going to share you two things that I got from Westman Atelier. It's clean beauty products by Gucci Westman. She is a celebrity makeup artist and she developed her own lines of makeups, and they are these two things. I've got this Vital Skin Foundation stick, and my color is the number 5. I didn't have any swatches nor seen this one in person, but because I ordered it through Net-a-Porter and I watch a lot of YouTube, so I figure out that I'm gonna get one, and I just look on those websites and try to pick my skin color, and I end up getting the number 5. So we are going to try it for the first time today. And then the second item that I got is their blush stick, and it is in Chouchette shade. There you go. So we're gonna try it now. It's really a nice and simple packaging, and here how it looks like. I'm really surprised of how this item is actually packaged really well and very sleek, but it's a bit weighty. For reference, my Hourglass Foundation is in golden, so if you are thinking of getting your hands on to your Westman, because it's not really available in a lot of beauty stores. I feel like it covers quite a lot of my hyperpigmentation with just a bit of the foundation. By the way, I don't have anything on my face aside from my eyebrow pencil and my mascara on. And I have my sunblock, my Heliocare sunblock. That's all I've got. And that's really good coverage. So I'm gonna go onto the other side. I just don't like dipping the brush onto this foundation. I feel like it's very unhygienic, but because my face is quite clean anyway, let's do it. So this is how it looks like with just one application, and it's a good color match. And I have the number 5, as I said. It has a medium tan with golden undertone, and it's full of antioxidants and some coconut oil though, and some camellia seed oil. Although I'm not a fan of coconut oil because it tends to break out my skin, but let's see what will happen with this foundation. And next is we are going to use the blush stick. So that's how it looks like, and yeah, so I'm just going to get some. No, I'm not gonna use any brush. I'll use my finger. Not sure if I'll do this one. It's really soft and creamy. Oh. So did I put too much? Let me just get some mirror. There you go. It's very natural. So let's try the other side. How it looks like. I don't use a lot of foundation, so I'm fine with this kind of coverage. And yeah, so this is how it looks like, the foundation and the blush. And I'm going out, and then I'm probably gonna take you with me, and let's see how this foundation is going to last on my skin. I have a combination and more towards into oily skin, so it's a perfect testing for me if this foundation is going to last. Whew. Hopefully. I'm not gonna powder on or anything. I'm gonna leave it like this. This is the best thing to do to test out some foundation. I don't want to put more coverage, and so hopefully this is going to be helpful for you if you are trying to decide to buy these products. And yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. It's already 12:29, and yep, I'll see you in a bit. We are out now, and I have all my sun protection with me and a hat. Let's do this. Are going here. So hello, we are back, and it's already 2:35 in the afternoon. Wait, just checking my phone. Yep. Oops, I'm not sure. There you go. So the foundation is still on my skin. I'm not getting any. And yeah, my forehead, it's looking good. There you go. It's still looking a bit glowy, but in a nicer way. Yeah, so I'll check back again later, and yeah, see you in a bit. So hello, this is my skin after almost 7 hours now, and I'm just gonna show you The time, it is nearly 7:15 in the evening, and I have been doing food shopping, and it's really hot outside, and yeah, my face is it's looking a little bit oily, but because my skin is oily anyway, and I never retouch my skin at all. I never put any blotted my face, so this is all what it looks like. Something like everyday makeup. I think this is good, and if you want something that is good for the skin, because it's a beauty clean beauty kind of foundation, this might work. And yeah, I'll continue using it. I get back to you next time, and yes, I hope this has been helpful, and see you in my next video.